How to use virtual card on Standard Bank. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, we're going to simply talk about how can you use the virtual card in the Standard Bank. So virtual cards are digital bank cards that you can create to shop online, and you can load your card on your favorite mobile apps and use it to securely make payments and purchases online without having to use your credit card or the debit card. So talking about how to use and create a prepaid virtual card. First of all, you have to sign into your banking app and then tap on Manage at the bottom of your screen and select Cards and tap on the virtual cards icon. Then tap on the card, Add Card at the top of the screen and follow the easy steps to finalize and top up your new prepared card. So the virtual card is user-friendly. You can easily top up your virtual card or link it to your existing MasterCard credit card. You can personalize your card. It is really safe and secured. And you can also get rewarded. Some of the branded virtual cards of Standard Bank offer you discounts or reward points when using them. So this was all about it. If you found this video informative, do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.